up, guys? KidMart95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, we have a technical analysis on Steem here. Currently up about 1% for the day. If we're looking at this USD value sitting at 309, but we're looking at the BTC value currently sitting at about 34,000 satoshis, almost 35,000, up about 0.5% for the day. But really quick though, folks, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap is sitting at 392 billion. Today's volume is almost 22 billion. Bitcoin dominant sitting at 38.3. Bitcoin up almost 0.5% for the day, sitting just below 8,900. Ripple up almost 4.5%, sitting at 630. Ethereum's up 4.5, sitting at 630. Ripple up almost 3, sitting at 88. Bitcoin Cash up almost 8.25, sitting at 1,230. Nice little run it had the other day. EOS up almost 5. Litecoin up almost 1. Cardano up almost 1 as well, sitting at 28. Big winners today, guys. I believe you had Decentraland up 37%, sitting at 16 cents. Eternity up 20%, sitting at 236, and DentaCoin up almost 20%, sitting at too many zeros for me to say. And Game, big losers today is Game almost down 6, Populous down almost 4, and Smart Cash down almost 3. But you folks came here for some Steem. Market cap sitting at 785 million. Today's volume is 7.2 million. Circulating supply here, folks, is 254 million. Total supply of 271. Major exchanges here: Upbit, Binance, Bittrex, Poloniex, and Hit BTC. Looks like are the major exchanges. But let's go ahead and look at some price action. That's what you folks came here for. Oops, not really sure why my Bitcoin chart is on the weekly, but I'm going to show you guys this anyway since I'm already here. Major support though here, guys. This is why I'm saying the bear market is over. Bounce 1, bounce 2, bounce 3, and we broke out of this nice little downtrend where we were in. And it looks like we also came down to test here at about 7,700 for support. Let's go ahead and switch over to the 4-hour really quick, see what the intraday is telling us. So the intraday is showing us that we do have a resistance here at 9,000. Not surprised, great psychological resistance. So what's next for Bitcoin here, folks? I think what's going to happen is we're probably going to be getting a retracement. We are going to be getting a retracement, small one for sure. But we got to see if we break below 8,800. If we break below 8,800, let me go ahead and draw this. I believe we will come all the way down to about 8,500, find support here, and then head towards the upside. However, if we hold here, I believe it's going to be another huge breakout towards the upside. Because this could also be happening. But again, we're going to have to wait and see if price holds here. Be patient, We already had to go from the 20,000 all the way to 8, so a drop from 8,800 to 8,500 isn't going to do all that much, but still be patient and just wait for the confirmation before we take any further moves. Let's go ahead are they all on the weekly? What are they doing? I don't know why all my charts are on the weekly, but major support again as well, I guess, folks. Let me just show this to you. We were in this nice little ascending triangle. We broke out of it, came back down to test for support, and now we're heading towards the upside. Let's go ahead and look at the daily, see how the daily's treating us. No signs of slowing down on the daily here, as you could tell. Higher low. Looks like we found a higher low here, and we're going to be bouncing off our support here at about $600. Next target is about 770, almost at 800, but just shy about $25. Let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin really quick. Litecoin came as low as about 142 yesterday. Today we've actually had a lot of indecision, so no signs of direction, except momentum does look like it wants to come towards the downside. However, let's go ahead and switch over to the 4-hour, see what the 4-hour is showing us. Could be possibly having a breakout or breakdown. But I'm expecting Litecoin to come down to about 147, maybe 147, 146 at the lowest, 146.70 to be exact. And if we don't bounce off this level, folks, then expect it to come back down to about, hold on, let me draw this out for you. So if we don't hold at this level, go ahead and make that blue so it doesn't confuse you. I'm expecting Litecoin to come all the way down to about 135 and then bounce off this level heading towards the upside. Although I think we're going to be holding at this level. But again, folks, this is just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor, but you guys already know this. This is Steem BTC on the daily. Bittrex is the broker we're currently looking at, and TradingView is the platform. Let me go ahead and show you this on the weekly since I showed you everything else. Nice little triangle pattern we got here going on though. This was our higher high, and then since then, kind of been, we haven't been able to form a higher high, so lower high, lower high, lower high, been this nice little downtrend. However, this high took out all these highs, so this is why this is our new higher high. And then we have our higher low here because this low beat this low. And as you can tell on the weekly, folks, momentum is definitely starting to shift towards the upside. So Steem is getting ready to blow up, let me tell you. One of my favorite coins here for sure. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily, see what the daily's showing us. Full steam ahead, folks. Full steam ahead. Daily still showing us momentum wants to head towards the downside. Just waiting, but we did come down to about almost 33,000 satoshis. We bounced off and then an aggressive return, and then we came back down to test it again. This wick did stay below this, so we did form a higher low here. This time we came down to about 33,550 satoshis. So it does look like we are slowly but surely heading towards the upside. Just might take some time. So what am I waiting for here on Steem, folks? As you can tell, the 4 hours definitely starting to head towards the upside, although price is looking a little bearish. So just to be safe, I'm waiting for that break and close above 35,120 satoshis. Once we get that break close above this level, Steem should be good to go. And I'm thinking it's just going to be full steam ahead, folks. And it's not waiting for anyone. It's just going to move. So make sure you folks hop on the Steem train while you can. Definitely one of my favorite coins. And one of its platforms, Steem, is definitely going to be replacing all social medias if you ask me. But that's pretty much it for today's video, folks. Make sure you folks re-Steem, upvote, and comment down below. If you folks are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed and you have post notifications turned on, and you give this video a thumbs up. And again, don't forget, if you folks are looking to leverage your fiat in crypto with, when Forex makes crypto and you get 50 to 1 leverage, but it's a lot of heavy risk. Remember, folks, I am not a financial advisor. This is just my personal opinion. But I'll go ahead and leave my Forex broker link down below, so make sure you guys check that out. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.